Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these gorgeous passion twists for just $15. So this is the hair I'll be using. It's the Zury Crochet Braid V8910 Bohemian curl in the color 1, and I will be using this one pack of hair to do my entire head. So my hair is already pre-parted, and you can check out my previous video to check out how I do that. For the back part of my hair, I'm going to start by only using one piece of hair, just so it's not too bulky in the back. Then I'm going to go through and separate that piece of hair 2, maybe 3 times, so it's nice and fluffy. Next, I'm going to grab my crochet needle and then I'm going to insert the hook into the base of my section. Then I will grab the hair, close the hook, and pull it through. Once the hair is through, I'm going to create a small loop and pull one side of the hair through the loop. Then I'm just going to pull to secure it nice and tight to my scalp. Next, I'm going to go ahead and separate the little twists I've already made and just pull the rubber band securely to my scalp before adding each piece of hair to one of the single strands I added. Does that make sense? Hopefully it makes sense visually if you're a visual learner. Then on my ends, I'm going to take my Shine and Jam, which I use to part my hair, and just put that on the ends of my hair so they're nice and sleek and can blend in with the rest of the twist. And then I will twist all the way down, being sure to pull up as I twist down. And you can see what I'm talking about here slightly. So I'm going to continue with the rest of my head, and then I'll be sure to show you up close and personal what I'm doing in just a few moments. And as you can see here is my first row all completed. So for the first 3 rows in the back, I kept it to one strand of hair per passion twist, just so I didn't have any bulking or anything crazy in the back part of my head. And here is that up close and personal look at the passion twist I promised you. First, you're going to insert your crochet hook. Next, I'm going to add the hair to my crochet hook, close the latch, and pull it all the way through. Once that's pulled through, I'm going to remove the crochet needle And now that I've created my nice little loop, I'm going to grab one side of the hair, pull it through the loop, and then secure it to my head. Once the crochet hair is in place, I'm going to use my actual hair, separate it in two, pull it slightly just so it's nice and secure, and then proceed to twist my hair all the way down. And then you can see where I'm twisting and pulling at the ends of my hair just to add a little spice to it. And then you want to go through and wrap the ends with your finger just so they can be pretty and curly. So here's one last up close and personal look. Again, showing you the exact same thing, but I'm a visual learner, so I like to see things like this over and over again. But insert the hook. Attach the hair. Close the latch, pull the hair all the way through, create a loop on one side, grab one side of the crochet hair, create a small knot and secure it to your head. Take your actual hair and pull it slightly just to make sure that everything is nice and secure before twisting all the way down the length of your hair. Once you're past your actual hair, you want to start pulling up just to add some crinkle, I guess you could call it, to the passion twist. And then once the end is done, you want to wrap the end around your finger so you can recreate that nice little cute curl. And it's time for my favorite part, which was decorating this hair. So I got these gold bands and this gold string from my beauty supply store, and I just used that to like spice up my hair a little bit. And I just braided some of the gold strings in, added a couple of gold clips. I went a little ham and cheese with the decorations, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, but I loved it. It was so cute. So after I added all my hair jewels, I took this She Is Bomb FuseFoam and I used that to put it on the ends of my hair so I can recreate all my curls and find all my straggly ends I need to cut. And after cutting, that is everything. I think my hair came out super cute. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys like it too. Thanks, guys. So that's everything, guys. I was in a rush at the very end of the video, so I didn't show you guys actually clipping my ends and everything. I was on a way to a concert and I had to get out the door. But I did clip off all my straggly ends, and I did put a little bit of mousse on there, just kind of help form up the curls on the end. And I absolutely love my hair. I think it is so cute. So I'm really happy with the way these turned out. I was going to do some passion twists the other day, and it was going to be like $45. It was going to cost me like $45 to buy all the hair I needed. Whereas I was able to buy that one pack of hair and do my entire head for $15. So that is amazing. So a third of the price and still got the exact results that I wanted. Something bouncy, something springy, something really cute. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know if you're gonna give this a try, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Comment down below anything you would like to comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!